Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today's question is from Ricardo, and he asks, what is the most effective way to build rapport with women? Well, Ricardo, here's the key to making a woman like you quickly. You want her to believe that you know her better than she knows herself. And guess what? You can do that quickly with Barnum Statements. This way, you'll be different from the other guys who try to hit on her with cheesy pickup artist lines. You'll build real emotional connection with her fast. And once you've built a strong emotional connection with a woman, she'll stick with you through thick and thin. And guess what? This is just like a woman who sticks with her asshole boyfriend no matter what. Does this make sense to you? If yes, say so in the comments below. And you know what? The Barnum effect also exploits another flaw, a woman's selective memory. Here's how. When a woman thinks back to past events, she tends to filter out everything else which doesn't fit with her present narrative. Let's do this thought experiment, okay? Think back to a positive event in your life. What happened? How did you feel? Now, try and force yourself to think of some of the negative aspects of that event. Chances are you can't, even though there most likely were some. Why is this so? Well, here's the explanation. There are two reasons. One, your brain has labeled this event as a positive experience. And two, your subconscious has edited the facts of the event to fit your perception or narrative. Interesting, right? So, to recap, here's how to build rapport quickly with a woman. You want her to believe that you know her better than she knows herself. And to do that, you will need something called Barnum Statements. To learn more about Barnum Statements, watch my other video titled Barnum Statement Techniques. Look for the video inside my channel or Google this term, Fredo Hill Barnum Statement. Got it? Great. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.